Welcome to London, the city that comes alive with Christmas lights. Join us as we explore some of the most iconic and beautiful Christmas lights in London. We started in Tottenham Court Road, where the lights are a dazzling display of color and creativity. Tottenham Court Road is home to some of the most creative and vibrant Christmas lights in London. Then we headed to Oxford Circus and Regent Street, where the famous angels and stars light up the night sky. Oxford Circus is one of the most famous shopping streets in London, and its Christmas lights are equally well known. The lights are traditional white and gold, and they create a truly magical atmosphere. Regent Street is another popular shopping street in London, and its Christmas lights are a classic sight which line the entire length of the street. After that, we took a stroll through Carnaby Street, which is known for its trendy shops and bars, and its Christmas lights are always stylish and unique. The lights are often changed each year to reflect the latest trends. Then we headed to Piccadilly Circus, where the lights never fail to amaze. Piccadilly Circus is also one of the most busiest and most famous intersections in London, and its Christmas lights are a must-see. Leicester Square was our next spot, which is popular for tourists and locals, and its Christmas lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere. We ended our journey in Chinatown, which is a vibrant and colorful neighborhood in London, and its Christmas lights add a touch of enchantment to the festive season. The lights are often red and gold and they create traditional Chinese motifs. I hope you enjoyed this tour of London's Christmas lights. There are so many more beautiful displays to see, so I encourage you to get out and explore.